7 Principles to Become a Successful Millionaire. The old saying goes that to become a successful millionaire is not a question of money but mentality. How many stories have we heard of people who won the lottery and become millionaires and just after a few years returned back to the same or worse situation than they were before? From my point of view, money serves to potentiate the features of a person. That is why a person with little financial education will be condemned to repeat their same situation, unlike one who is financially educated. For many millionaires, the success of becoming wealthy lies in the habits and principles that they follow thoroughly and with discipline. 1. Relate to the right people. In this principle, the saying, "Tell me who you surround with, and I will tell you who you are," applies. Robert Kiyosaki mentions that your income is the average income of the 5 people you are most identified with. Millionaires know the importance of surrounding themselves with the right people. Your reference group will determine more than 90% of your success. If you want to be successful, have more frequent quality conversations and not quantity that helps you develop your skills or solve some problems of your business. Surround yourself with successful, happy and optimistic people who have clear goals and who are fighting to get ahead. 2. Develop a wealth mentality. As mentioned at the beginning of this writing, everything is a matter of attitude, and this principle is based on developing an abundance mentality in your life. You have the option to choose what your destiny will be. It will be shaped by your way of thinking. If you do not have the fixed idea of achieving financial freedom so longed for by many, your mind will not be alert to everything that can help you achieve it. Many people mistakenly think that money will solve their problems. Others, however, have associated with money the emotions, attitudes and negative thoughts of having a lot of money so amazing that it seems that being a millionaire, wealth, economic freedom, has a negative connotation. Reprogram your subconscious mind with the right ideas, beliefs and thinking about money. 3. Be determined and action-oriented. In this principle, the lesson is elementary. Action is the catalyst that can turn dreams into reality. An idea that does not become a goal is not a good dream. A goal that is not followed by a specific plan is not a good goal, and a plan that is not carried out is not good either. Embrace persistence is a great virtue that will rule your life before situations come to and make you turn back and disappoint your goals, but remember that persistence starts when motivation ends. The only way to be successful is to take massive action. 4. Dare to do what you really love and want. Several studies reveal that 85% of people find that the work they do does not excite them, challenge or motivation them. However, these same studies show that these same people do nothing to change this situation by resigning themselves to their own death. Find the desire to do what you love and you will never have to work another day, is the saying that is associated with this principle. Anyone who became a millionaire is very clear about this principle. Generally, they are sure that they did not work for a day because what they did was fun instead of work. It will probably be an important decision for you to decide what business to create or which job to choose surrounded by so many existing alternatives. The key is to find what you love to do and dedicate yourself to that field. Only you can make that decision. 5. Dare to dream big dreams. Achievers are visionaries who dare to dream big dreams. You have to learn to move in the direction of your dreams. The simple fact of daydreaming and in a big way will help you improve your self-esteem and your level of confidence. Having dreams and visions of an abundant future will stimulate you to be better, even in those situations in which you haven't yet excel. Allow yourself to dream, fantasize, imagine what you want to achieve in your life, how much money you want to earn and what lifestyle to have. 6. Accept full responsibility for your financial situation. Expressions like "I don't understand where the money goes" demonstrate your inability to keep your finances under control. This lack of responsibility can be easily seen in many people and in many occasions, this personal lack of discipline is carried out in their businesses. Remember that a company is an extension of the entrepreneur and founder and therefore the success or failure of personal finance will be closely linked to the success of your business. Millionaires know this and accept this responsibility without question. On the other hand, the average person tries to justify their inability to control their finances due to either political, economic or other factors. 7. Prioritize your activities and focus on one thing at a time. This is a principle that you can start adopting in your own life, is the most challenging thing to do, but also the most essential thing if you want to be successful. The formula before starting any project or company is to make a to-do list and prioritize each of the activities on that list. By continually setting priorities and focusing on the most valuable ones for business success, you will develop the high-performance habit that will guarantee success in your life. You must discipline yourself to do what you have to do when you must do it, whether you want to or not. Here are some motivational quotes from famous people. Surround yourself with people who elevate you to the highest. Oprah Winfrey. The quality of your life is determined by the quality of your thoughts. I am convinced that the half that separates successful and unsuccessful entrepreneurs is perseverance. Cry, fight. Do what you like, feel what is inside of you. If you have a dream in your heart, and you really believe in it, you run the risk of making it come true. If you were born poor, it is not your fault, but if you die poor, that is your fault. Writing down your goals increases your chance of reaching them by 1000%. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below for more amazing finance tips and advice.